Durga Puja is one of the most awaited and auspicious festival of our culture, which signifies the win of the victory of good over evil. The first thing that comes in our mind when we hear about Durga Puja is fun, frolic, food, and so much fun, and most importantly, hanging out and moving around with our friends and the near ones. But just like last year, 2020, this year also Durga Puja is been celebrated with strict COVID guidelines. Many things have changed, and people are sad because they cannot meet their mother goddess Durga, and the whole pandals are covered. Night curfews have been propagated by the government from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. Many pandal people are also trying to make sure that devotees get mother's darshan through Facebook and other many innovative things have come up. But still, let's go and see how this Durga Puja is being celebrated in 2021 under the shadow of COVID.
सप्तशती चंडी मंत्र पाठ सह महाआरती हो मांगर पूजा संपन्न कर वर्तमान शिवंगर सहस्रनाम मंदिर रे 1000 आहुति प्रदान करा जिवे संध्या 6:30 समय मांगर आरती कार्यक्रम हेबे पुष्पांजलि तापर अन्य सामयिक पूजा है मांगर पहुड़
सात जन भितर सीमित करा चारिकड़ बंद करा जो मैंने दर्शन करें से आम स्वतंत्र व्यवस्था आम तरफ शहीद दुर्गा पूजा समिति पेज रे आम लाइव छाड़ू जो मैंने अष्टमी व्रत कर भोग आणिकी देवे ना भोग देले मागते मागे ना बोली आम स्लोगान देचु आम तरफ आम व्रत छोट छोट पैकेट कर जी आसवे सकाळु व्रतटा मागणा नहीं पारे.
As you can see, we are in the Barmunda Puja committee place where the Durga Puja has been taken place following the strict COVID guidelines. Let's go and ask people who are over here, the committee members, how they're handling this situation. Let's see.
नवपत्रिका 9टी दुर्गा रूप में माँ को पूजा अर्चना पर माँ को चक्षुदान आहुति प्रदान कर वर्तमान द्वितीयानिक माँ चंडी यज्ञ सप्तमी विहित चंडी यज्ञ आयोजन कर सूर्य पूजन प्रथम सूर्य को अर्चना कर सूर्यंकर अर्चना परे माँ को अष्टमी विहित पूजा अर्चना कर संध्या समय माँ को बलिदान कर
आमे माँ के पाखे ये प्रार्थना करूँ जो श्रद्धा मैंने प्रकृत माँ दर्शन पाई किसी आशीर्वाद लाभ करते से घर रही माँ को पाखे प्रार्थना करूँ एवं ए कोरोना मुक्ति पाई एवं आसंता वर्ष अपेक्षा करूँ केमती माँ आरंबर सहित आसतु ताही मो माँ पाखे प्रार्थना करूँ.
As you can see right now we are in Old Station Bazaar Puja Mandap where you can see our Durga Ma has been beautifully ornamented and beautifully presented over here, and you can see due to strict COVID guidelines no devotees are allowed over here, but surprisingly they have also come up with innovative ways to approach to the devotees, like you can have Facebook live and you can see live darshan of it, and you can have exclusive darshan in Google Meet. They also have ways to providing you the prasad in like home delivery system. So they have, due to all these circumstances, all problem, they have found an innovative way to bring the devotion right at your doorstep. Let's see what else we have.
आम प्रथम सूर्यार्चना कार्यक्रम सरीगला तापर माँ चक्षुदान स्नान षोडशोपचार पूजा ये सब जमी नीति नियम करा कथा से सब करा जाइछि. वर्तमान माँ हवन कार्यक्रम आरंभ होब आरती पुष्पांजलि करा जिवो.
Special arrangements in Facebook live which will be presented 24/7 as per the puja schedule. At the same time we have done home delivery services in which our volunteers will take prasads of goddess Durga to their homes. Devotees are like eagerly from USA, from different places who are living nearby. They call us and they just say, what can we do? How can we watch? For that was the reason we started live.
Right now, as you can see, we are in Bhumikal Puja Mandap, where Goddess Durga has been beautifully decorated in golden attire, and they are following the COVID guidelines and protocols strictly. As you can see, the place is completely barricaded and covered. Let's go inside and see and talk with them to see how they are handling this kind of situation.
जेहेतु कोरोना महामारी आतंक सृष्टि ए जाए कमी नहीं तो से दृष्टिकोण सरकार गाइडलाइन को आम सुचारू रूपे मानी केमती पूजा करूँ से दिगरे विशेष दृष्टि देचु.
Right now, as you can see, we are inside Jharpada Puja Mandap, where Goddess has been beautifully decorated. They have given their utmost everything, like every devotion to how beautifully decorating, and they have also made a way to portray show the whole things going on through Facebook Live and other mediums. And let's see everyone, talk with everyone, see how they have done it. As you saw, we have been to so many pandals right now, and everybody has given their best to at least give their devotion into the decoration, into every kind of thing that can be possibly done under this COVID scenario that we are all going through. Everybody has found some or other innovative way. Somebody has tried through Facebook Live, somebody through Google Meet, and somebody even tried to give prasad, like home delivery of prasad. But still the lack of devotees, that's something that matters us the most. Let us all pray this time, let us pray and we hope that next year, this time, with this moment, we will be with all of us, just the way it used to be 2 to 3 years back. The dynamics has changed, but the devotion remains the same. With camera person Chandan, this is Saurav from Orissa Post Live. Jai Ma Durga.